This is the seated hover, legs straight. So this is nearly an L sit. A full L sit would be both heels off the ground. We're not working that progression just yet. Where we are here is by keeping our heels on the ground, we're lifting our butt off the ground, and then just the hands and heels are on the ground at this point. So my arms are too short for me to do this kind of exercise. If that's the case for you as well, you can use yoga blocks like I'm using, or you can use a stack of books as long as the same height on each side, or some push-up handles, whatever you want to use to kind of just give you that leverage to get your hips up. If you got arms long enough, use the ground, all right? But whatever you're using, you want to, there's a lot of leverage in your shoulders. Let's make sure your shoulder form is on point. So shoulders are going to be backing down like you're squeezing your shoulder blades into your back pockets. You can also think about this as like getting your chest lifted up and out, up into the air. And I'm going to keep a nice tall spine through the back of my head. And with that form, I'm going to maintain that as I then just simply extend my elbows, pushing down to the blocks, lifting my butt up into the air. So then, we're doing legs straight in this exercise. So legs straight with that positioning there. So you could see, you could start with knees bent, come up and walk it out there if you want. Or you can just start with your heels out there straight. But whatever it is, you're going to hold it up there for time, keeping that form, head back, shoulders back, spine nice and long and tall. And then when your time's up, bring it back down and reset. And that there is your seated hover with knees straight.